This is the boss fight I made for my game.
It looks like something else Squid Game.
Okay.
And in a few seconds, we're about to see the boss's 3 attacks that I worked on for over a month to scare my friend. But hold on. Who is he? How does he fight you? And what is this game in the first place? So about a year ago, this thing called the Backrooms blew up, which are basically a bunch of yellow rooms and a bacteria guy.
Don't move. Oh my god!
So I thought it would be a good idea to make it in 2D.
It looks like a pixelated stick.
Anyways, the video went viral, I updated it a few times, and my next step is to create a boss fight because the game really needs a change of pace. This man literally said it's a walking simulator, my ego! Yeah, but something more insulting than one measly comment is 300 one-star reviews all saying, the game is broken! So before we add a pew pew bang bang boss fight, we need to fix some issues first, starting with...
you guys are gonna laugh at this. I made sure that we're gonna get stuff done, chat.
Pay attention, boys. So, chat, here's the game plan. We need to put object pooling, which basically means instead of spawning objects, we're gonna reuse old objects so that our performance won't take a hit, which will hopefully fix the bugs in our terrain that our 1-star users are receiving. Now, I go over this really complicated and nerdy workflow to make this.
Oh my god. Dude, it got disconnected. That's how hard I'm trying this.
But after confidently working everything out, I started to work my magic. Now this object pooling task is gonna take quite a bit, so while 𝗔𝗧𝗧𝗥𝗜𝗧𝗓's over there, another route I can take to improve my terrain is completely revamping the entire thing, which is done like this. Yeah. Last devlog, I created this complicated system to make generating faster, creating easier, and features better, but I have yet to implement it. Ah, there we go. Anyways, with this shot, you can see a huge improvement that our old system lacked. The ability to spawn tiles instantaneously. On our Discord server, check it out, there's been reports of players being able to get out of the map. Heck, this YouTuber literally outruns my terrain system.
Oh, dude, I can't be stopped. I broke it. I broke the game.
So with this new system, outrunning terrain that spawns instantly is just gonna be a little harder. Time to make it for all the levels.
Nothing at all.
While that's happening, I want to go back to this ego-shattering comment. This man literally said it's a walking simulator, my ego! Because it's true. The game is currently very repetitive and not very fun, so my solution is to create unique mechanics to every single level in the game, starting with...
Backrooms pitfalls.
The story goes that a research team from Async Laboratory discovered a peculiar room with a bunch of, well, pits. I want to use these pits as an obstacle the player has to overcome, giving them more variety, more fun, if you will. So using my new terrain system, I coded in a big room that can house our pits and our exit elevator, with a nifty exit arrow guiding the player to it. But there's a problem. How will I make the player balance across these pits? I only have 2 dimensions to play with, and if I try to rotate the player across the 3rd dimension, it just looks confusing. The answer? The whole scene is gonna transform into this sick 3D first-person view of the pitfalls. Yeah. Now I know the game is called Backrooms 2D, but wouldn't it be fun to have a multi-dimensional game? Wouldn't it be cool to transition from 2D to 3D with a game you can play on your phone? Well, I guess there's only one way to find out.
Chat, you got a waffle. As you're going forward, rotating. Yo, we got cheese balls. Oh yeah! Chat, that looks so cool. Let's freaking go. The pitfalls are done, chat. All the levels are revamped, bro. So far, chat, we faced a few bugs, but nothing is catastrophically broken so far. And it broke. Chad, it broke. Why can I go out of bounds?
Now what you're seeing here is something I like to call a build error, aka every developer's worst nightmare. This weird terrain not generating bug only happened on my phone, meaning I can't test it in the editor, which means solving it is really hard, which all ended up leading to just play the clip. there's like a billion pillars in this room.
Where's my 3D pitfalls? My object pooling is still laggy. Gosh, what the heck did I do? What is happening to my table? What is happening to my camera?
At least people can still play the game.
Guideline 2.3.7. Leveraging trademark terms is not appropriate. Basically, what this is trying to say is that making a game based on the Backrooms is not allowed. So...
Until I saw something. Something that reminded me of why I continued this project in the first place.
Yo, this lore, bro. This goes so deep.
During my game dev streams, I took breaks where I played games that you made and sent to me. Not just games, but fan art. You guys made some of the coolest pieces of art I've ever seen. I didn't even ask for them. And then...
Corpse? You are a certified legend.
We got a game to make. Before I could create this boss fight, I needed to address a comment that I fully believe to be true. 3D pitfalls did not fit in this game. So I pulled out MS Paint, duplicated my player, and okay, that did not work, and made some balancing sprites along with the instructions text telling the player what to do. I added depth to the pits by creating separate sprites for different angles and using the position of the camera to calculate what sprite to show, like this illusion on a phone. The problem with this is balancing. I could not for the life of me figure out how to balance my player until...
Oh, I just rotated sideways. Dude, that works so much better.
Now equipped with a sideways player, I added some black cinematic bars, clean animations, a restart system, and the cherry on top. One task down, one to go. Now the boss fight you saw in the intro is based on this entity called the Game Master, an evil gal who makes you play rigged minigames you do not want to lose to. Seriously, who puts this stuff on YouTube? Anyways, after running through the final level of the game, I typed a few ones and zeros to make a room our boss will live in. However, we don't actually have the sprite for our boss yet, so sorry, my cat stepped on my keyboard. Seriously though, subscribe to 𝗗𝗦𝗦𝗧𝗥𝗜𝗢𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗏. This guy's stuff is amazing. Transition word here, this boss fight will have 3 minigames you need to survive. Mimic Master, totally not inspired by that Simon Says game. Red Center, where you stop a cursor in that red center. And Ball Blender. I think you can figure that one out. After adding fail and reset functionalities for each game, I made these cutscenes that didn't take me hours to make. Top tier sound effects from various artists like Laura Stoiler, and of course, boss music.
So, whatever piece of garbage this is.
Yeah, it's probably a lot better to use music from you guys. Subscribe to 𝗔𝗧𝗧𝗥𝗦𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗏, this song is way better than mine. And after having my friends playtest the game, slapping it on the Play Store, and 2 months of hard work, I was done. Throughout the 2 months that I worked on this update for, the times I wanted to quit were plenty. But I have a game, a project that thousands of people care about. And even when it's tough, even when game dev slaps you in the face time and time again, it's worth it. Enjoy the boss fight.
It looks like something else Squid Game.
Are there any buttons I need to know about before whatever happens?
Okay.
Not really. I don't really want
Hit the colors in order. Ah, okay.
Let's go. Oh, this is so cool.
Oh, do I actually have to... Yellow. Okay.
I'm winning.
Oh, this is easy. No! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can I restart? Wait.
Nope.
Good try.
I respect the attempt. I'm like, there
I respect it. Let's go.
Not even close.
Let's go. This will be your demise.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Got this in the bag.
The mouse is kind of cheating. Wait, hold up. It's this one. Yes.
Yes.
How do you feel about that, dude?
Whoa. Ooh. Bro got busted. It can't be. It can be, my guy. I just got you.
Let's
Let's
that
go.
Is cinematic right there.
Dude, that's epic.
Hey.
Ooh, that was crispy.
Ooh, let's go.